Managing lien waivers is a monumental task, but it's critical for protecting your business. Each subcontractor payment application could be accompanied by a conditional waiver and an unconditional waiver, and that doesn't include waivers for tier contractors. Preparing, sending, and collecting all these waivers takes time and can slow down payment processes. With GCPay, there's a better way, and it can save you time and money. Let's take a look. General contractors establish waiver templates that GCPay will use to create waivers. GCPay uses project and pay app data like project name, location, and amount due to automatically generate waivers. The general contractor decides when waivers are required and how they are executed. You can allow for digital signatures or enforce notarization of waivers. Waivers can be required as a condition of pay app submission, or they can be required after payment has been made. Simply put, GCPay completely automates the creation, distribution, collection, and storage of lien waivers. Contact GCPay to learn more about managing lien waivers and ask for a free demo.